Come see this spacious home in a great neighborhood centrally located in Northport and near Cranberry Elementary School. Bonus: this home is in preferred flood zone X, so no flood insurance should be required with a mortgage, and the roof was replaced in 2023. This well-maintained and clean home features 1,765 square feet under air and has a split floor plan with a formal dining room, family room and living room with cathedral ceiling, plus all 3 bedrooms have their own walk-in closet. Enjoy easy access to your screened lanai from either the primary bedroom, family room or living room. The main bathroom has direct access to the paved patio in the backyard off of the lanai, offering an ideal setup for a future pool. The fully applianced kitchen has a breakfast bar, built-in pantry cabinets, stainless steel appliances and a pass-through service window to the lanai. The primary bedroom suite is on one end of the home and offers a large private bathroom with lots of counter space, recessed lighting, a linen closet, makeup/vanity sitting area and a tiled walk-in shower. The convenient inside laundry room is centrally located and has a utility sink. Like outdoor space? Then you'll enjoy the options of sitting and relaxing on your front covered porch or the screened-in lanai, which accesses a beautiful paved patio in the backyard.